Hello, I'm going to show you how to fix Windows 11 update KB5062553, not installing error code 0x80070002. So first of all, run Windows Update and Troubleshooter and Repair Services. Go to Settings, go to System, Troubleshoot at the Troubleshooters, run Windows Update, Troubleshooter and follow prompt. Restart your PC and try updating again. Verify date and time settings. Go to Settings, Time and Language, Date and Time. Enable Set Time Zone automatically and Set Time automatically. Click Since Now if available. Incorrect system clock can invalidate update authentication. Repair system files with DISM and SFC. Open command prompt as administrator. Run DISM/online/cleanup-image/restore health SFC/scan now. After completion, reboot and try update again. Use fix problems using Windows Update, Repair, Install. Navigate to Settings, go to System, Recovery, then tap Fix Problems using Windows Update. Select Reinstall Now. This performs in place reinstall, keeping all files, apps, and settings intact. Once completed, try installing KB5062553. Many users report this fixed the recurring failure. Restart key services manually based on Microsoft support recommendations. Open services via Start menu. Restart the following: Background Intelligent Transfer Service (BITS), Cryptographic Services, Windows Update, Windows Installer, then try the update again. Disable antivirus or third-party tools temporarily. Security software, antivirus, firewall, system optimizers can block updates temporarily. Disable them before trying the update. Re-enable once update succeeds. Manual install via Microsoft Update Catalog. Download the standalone.msu installer for KB from Microsoft Update Catalog. Run it manually. Sometimes bypasses issues from Windows Update. This method has helped on stubborn failure cases.